Sir, can you please move the vehicle aside? I would like to pass through, and you are blocking me.
You reverse your car.
You're blocking me. I want to pass through. Please move the vehicle. Why are you blocking the vehicle, sir?
फोटो मारा वो ब्लॉक करते घालायचं.
Sir, what's your name, sir?
Why you want my name? Why you want my name?
Because you are the one who's saying
Shut up!
something you asked me to shut up. You're a wonderful person, sir.
Wonderful. Why you asking my name?
Recording करता था, वैसे नहीं.
Sir,
You don't talk now.
you are the minister here, right? My name is Gaurav Bakshi.
क्या हुआ था सर यहाँ पे?
I had gone to Rivora Panchayat to inward an application for construction license. Right? I'm a POA of the owner of a plot. The plot is in Rivora Panchayat. The owner of the plot is building a villa. Construction license application inward karna tha.
अच्छा.
When I reached the panchayat, in front of the panchayat there is a small lane. Some vehicle was there blocking the lane.
अच्छा.
On the other side there is a parking area. There is also blocked. So I requested the driver of the vehicle to move his vehicle so either I can pass him and park behind or go to the parking area.
Okay.
The man refused. He said, no, I will not do it. Okay. So I stopped the vehicle. I just got off, went into the panchayat to give my application. In the meantime, the PSO and another person start shouting at me and threatening me that they will file a complaint against me if I don't move my vehicle.
Oh.
So I said, but your vehicle is blocking the road. Why would you file a complaint against me? File a complaint against the driver. So then the minister is standing there, he's telling me, you must do as they say. Otherwise, I will take care of you.
Who is that minister, sir?
Neelkant Halankar, I learned later. I didn't know this minister was even here. He's standing there and abusing me and telling me, I will see you, I will take care of you, I will finish you off. This is the minister of Goa who's claiming all this to a citizen who's just walking into a panchayat to invert an application. Now, after that, the PSO has a gun next to him. He takes his hand and says, I will point this at you, man, you have 1 minute. I said, listen, just relax. I went out, told the driver, do you mind just moving it 3 feet to your right? I can then pass my vehicle and park. Please know you're blocking my vehicle. I have a video of recording of this also. I have a video recording, I have an audio recording of the entire incident. Despite this, the high-handedness of the ministers of Goa and the elected is very visible here. This is the kind of pressure that politicians and corrupt politicians particularly, and those who want to intimidate and harass the common citizen. This is a clear example. Minister Neelkant Halankar is a horrible example. A person like this should be nowhere around an elected person. He should not be elected. He should not be there to serve people. He should be put behind bars. If this is the kind of abuse of power that the man is doing, he should be dismissed in a second. And Chief Minister, Mr. Sawant, you are not expected to support such individuals. Instead of dismissing them, you are supporting them. Are you hand in glove and are you trying to say that no citizen of India is welcome in the state of Goa? You want to threaten and harass everybody and throw them out based on nonsensical, fake and fraud complaints such as this?
तो आपकी प्रॉपर्टी कहाँ पे थी?
रिवोरा में थी.
रिवोरा में ही है.
पंचायत में.
अच्छा.
उसका कंप्लेंट हमने दिया. सॉरी, उसका एप्लीकेशन फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन लाइसेंस सबमिट किया है.
ओके.
वो कर दिया. ये सब होने के बाद आई सबमिटेड इट एंड आई लेफ्ट. व्हेन ही स्टार्टेड थ्रेटनिंग मी, आई कॉल्ड द पुलिस. नाउ आई कॉल्ड द पुलिस बिकॉज ऑफ थ्रेट्स.
आपने कॉल किया था?
जैसे ही मैंने कॉल किया, ये लोग भागे और इन्होंने बोला हम आपके ऊपर कंप्लेंट करेंगे, अब आपको छोड़ेंगे नहीं.
ये किसने बोला था सर?
ये उनके जो पीएसओ है.
ओके.
रोहन परब.
अच्छा.
ये सब कितने बजे हुआ इंसिडेंट?
अराउंड 4:06 को मैंने पुलिस को फोन किया है. 4:06 मिनट पर आज शाम को.
ये पीएसओ जो बोला है ना पीएसओ ने, उसके बाद ये मिनिस्टर आया वहाँ पे.
मिनिस्टर में खड़े थे, पीछे थे, कुछ कर रहे थे, मुझे मालूम था. Yes, he comes and tells me, you better listen to what they are saying. I said, sir, but what am I saying? I said, you're most welcome. I'll move my car if you're moving. But I'm not the one blocking. It's your driver who's blocking the road. So why are you asking me? Why are you threatening me? He said, no, you better do. Don't talk to me.
So मिनिस्टर की गाड़ी बीच में ही थी रास्ते पे?
बीच में बिल्कुल ब्लॉक कर रही थी. I will show you a video. Actually, my phone has just died. I will show it to you right now. I can recharge it. I can send it to you all. I can show you the video where the car is standing. It's blocking the entire road. There is a wall of the panchayat on the left. On the right, there are two vehicles parked. So there was no way for me to go.
So you called the police on the spot only?
On the spot. Okay. 4:06. I called the police. They did not. Now the moment I do this, because I'm facing threats, I'm facing a man with a gun next to his pocket and trying to threaten me. What kind of nonsense is this?
He removed the gun?
Yes, he was taking his hand to the gun when he said, I will show this to you, man.
Who?
The PSO.
He removed the gun?
Yes. No, he didn't remove it.
He was going to remove the gun.
Threatening me. So I saw this. I said, are you mad? So I took out my phone. That's when I walked out and I said, see, you are blocking me. Please move. I'll move my car, but you're the one blocking me.
Okay.
And then he moved the car. The driver actually moved it. In the meantime, the minister comes, sits in the car, says, "Don't talk to me," and he drove away. And he says, "I will see you."
So after that you came in a police station.
After that, I came because the police said you filed a complaint. Come, I have
Yes.
come here now. For the last 3 hours, what's happening? You must know this. Calls have gone from DGP, SP North, DYSP, local police station, the PSIs. Chief Minister calls have gone. The whole of Goa is discussing how to file a complaint against me and if I've done something wrong or right. Can you
Okay.
imagine the kind of wastage of human manpower, time, and taxpayer money?
So you are here for 3
Within
hours.
these 3
Last 3 hours,
hours, your
7
complaint has been registered yet?
No, they've not even accepted my complaint. They're refusing to take my complaint. They kept
Okay.
telling me, relax, we're settling it, sir. We're settling it for you. Please wait. Now, Mr. Rane, just now, 2 minutes back, as I've come out, when you turn on the camera, I asked him, what is the status? He said, no, they're giving the complaint. I said, but the DYSP, I called him. He's telling me, the complaint has been registered against you. Don't talk to me. Excuse me. I am the citizen of India. I have the right to call you Mr. DYSP or the DGP or anybody. That's my fundamental right. I have the right to call the police. I have a complaint. Your police is not accepting a complaint. Your own chief minister is hand in glove with Neelkant Halankar. Is this the kind of government we want? I would like to appeal to Prime Minister Modi. Please, no, sir. Well, law-abiding and sincere citizens who are fighting against corruption like me are being targeted by the BJP government of Goa. This is not a small matter, sir. They have been targeting many such activists across Goa who are trying to stop corruption. Your own government, top to bottom, is hand in glove, steeped heavily in corruption. We have data, we have audio recordings, video recordings. Even for today's incident, I have a video recording. I've informed the police about this, yet they have not yet asked me to even show it to them. This is the kind of nonsense that the Goa police is doing. Prime Minister Modi, this is not the India that we want. This is not the Bharat that we want. I sincerely request you, sir. You are the leader of the nation. Please act against such corrupt ministers, throw them out, and please bring justice to a simple citizen wanting to live his life in a very normal manner.
So
what is your name?
Now
Gaurav
the
Bakshi
3
is my
hours almost have passed. Are you changing your decision to take back your complaint?
No, I'm not. I'm going to be inverting my complaint right now as we speak, and I'm going to leave from here.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.